So this is a very quick example just with the screen clips from the calculator in case you need to come back and look at something. So it gives me an equation here. Everything is everything's on the left side, so it's equal to 0. So what I need to do is I go to the applications and I want to pick conics, which is number 4. And then I want to pick circle, which is number 1. And then I want to pick number 2, which is because the circle's in that equation, in that form right there. And then all I got to do is pay attention. It tells me right there where the letters are coming from. And then I just put in the coefficients in the right spot there. So as you can see, the only trick, I guess, is that the x and the y squared terms have to have the same thing. It's going to be a 1 basically every single time. I still haven't seen one that's not a 1 at this point, so we can go with that. They might not be in the right order, so you have to look. In this case, they're not in the right order. The x squared comes first, and the y squared is third. They both have a 1, so I put a 1 in. The number in front of the x is a -4, so I put in a -4. The number in front of the y is a 2, and the number that's by itself is a -10, so I put those in. And then you hit alpha enter, all right, to get it to solve it. And that's what's really important. If you hit graph, it'll draw a picture of it. If you hit this over here, all right, so you hit alpha and then enter. And what that does is it solves it. All right, and so that's something we use whenever we're using an app or something that we want it to actually solve something for us, not just do it. And so you can hit enter as many times as you want and nothing will happen. So that's how this works. That's what we're going to do. Try 3 or 4 of these problems until you're sure you understand how to put it in the calculator. It's going to be on your assessment. It's nearly guaranteed to be on the Regents exam. So if you're going to commit a certain amount of time to something and want the biggest reward in terms of your grade, this is something that's very, very easy to get good at and be like, I'm guaranteed, nearly guaranteed to get something on the Regents correct to start with. And when I only have to get, 15 or 16 questions right, that's one of them checked off the list.